Hello everyone. In this video, I'll give another example of how to clean the data. Here, instead of uploading data every time, we already uploaded the data here, cells 2007 underscore raw. Now we'll go to the transform data. So click here. It is taking time more than expected here, depend on the size of data. Yes. Now this is data. We can see here validity like 99%, 1% empty. Here 99%, here validity only 1%. So like that, we can see all the valid data, how much error, empty and all. We can see all those things here. So let's start here. If we see here, this is the column 1, column 2. After that, first two row is the blank here, column 1, column 2 here. So we'll do one thing. Here we don't want these first two row here, so we'll remove this thing. So remove rows here, remove top rows. Since here we don't want the first two row here, so we'll give the number here. Okay, we don't want the first two rows. Now see, we have removed those two top rows. Suppose you want to reverse the changes, so click on delete. See again those two rows came back. Now remove rows, we'll do it again. Now, now we see this is the order ID, product ID, column 3. So like previous video, I'll make this as a header. For that, use first row as a header. Now see, header now it's looking nice here. We have some header name, order ID, product ID, column 3 and all. Now, if you see in the first column like order ID, we have some blank value, some duplicate like 333. After that, 24, 26, 33, 30. See like that it have some duplicate as well as some blank value. So we'll remove all those here. For that, click on this order ID, remove rows here. First, we'll remove all the blank rows. See now there are no blank rows, but there are some duplicate row like triple three. There may be more than that, so we'll do one thing. Remove the duplicate rows. Now we can see here validity of data is the 100% here. Yes. Now we can see here some value with the end name is not applicable here. So we will filter out those data here. Yeah. Now here also some blank NA, but so if required, we will also filter out those data. Okay, we don't put NA value. But there's still some blank value here, hardly one or two, so we can do that thing. So here all entire row are blank here. So we'll do one. Select this column, remove rows, remove blank row here. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Now changes are taking place. Now click here, filter out. So all the data become 100% valid here. Now this is the means cleaning data based on the row basis. Now if we see a column 3 here, there is only blank, NA or null. Okay, this is a blank NA. There might be some null value as well. If you go down, see null. This column doesn't contain any data, so we will delete this column, remove it. If you feel that okay, by mistake I have deleted some another column, so just take an example here, store ID, will delete it. If you feel that okay, by mistake I have deleted, so you can roll back changes, remove column, so store ID came back. So so take another example. Suppose we want only store ID, order date underscore 2. Apart from these three, we don't want any other columns. We want to remove the other three. Means apart from this store ID, order date 2, we don't want any other column here. So we'll do remove other column. See all the table gone here. In the applied steps, we can see remove other column. But we will reverse the changes here. Timing. Now go some more. We'll see. Here like promo bin 2, all are blank value. So we don't want. We can delete this. So this Power Query Editor have one more feature. We can drag and drop column from one place to another place based on our compatibility. And also we can remove the column name. And suppose promo type 2 we want to rename is. So we can rename it. Promo type underscore, suppose you want to give underscore 09. So we can do it. It has been changed. So by using this Power Query Editor, we can clean the data and remove the unnecessary column if required. So this is a nice example of to clean the data using Power Query Editor.